Let's explore how Power BI can help you convert your raw data into actionable insights. In the age of data-driven development, managing and learning from your data is of paramount importance. The first and most important thing that comes with Power BI is its data aggregation features. It ensures that you gather, cleanse, and maintain your data effortlessly. Another powerful feature with Power BI is, of course, its data visualization, which helps you to create beautiful looking and interactive charts and graphs that help you gain more insights and more detail on your data and how to manage it. Apart from its visualization features, Power BI also provides real-time reporting, which allows you to not only graph and chart your data, but also gain keen insights on how your data is progressing over time. And one of the most fascinating features that comes with Power BI is, of course, its seamless integration, which allows you to gather data from various data sources without having to worry about how you're going to integrate it with the other data sources. Once you have gathered and cleansed your data, now is the time to get some insights. Power BI allows you to query it in natural language format, which allows you to ask powerful questions and get keen insights on how your data is progressing. Now that you have a steady source of gathering the data and how to cleanse it and how to visualize it, Power BI allows you to gather business intelligence out of it, which allows you to identify trends in your data. And then you can make meaningful decisions out of it. So are you ready to transform your data into meaningful insights? I hope you're excited. Reach out to Whizzbridge today and start your Power BI journey right now.